Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about complex numbers. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to open parentheses. So we have negative 3, negative number 3 and negative 6i. So number 6 minus number 3. So we have number 3, negative number 6, negative number 3, we have negative number 9. And now we have the formula in here. So if this one go inside the absolute value, that means they want to find like this. This is about the magnitude. So now we can apply the formula of this one and we have the final answer. So we have number 3 with the square root of number 10. This is the end. Thank you for watching.